Hi, this is Christina with the Sisyphean Journal, and today we're looking back to 1993. A 20-year-old Newark college student whose identity was never revealed. Pro-life sources refer to her as Jane Doe of Newark. Life Dynamics on their Blackman wall identifies her as Tracy. This young woman underwent a safe legal abortion performed by Dr. Stephen Berkman at Metropolitan Medical Associates on June 16th of 1993. She was in the second trimester of her pregnancy. Now, Jane reportedly felt dizzy in recovery. Berkman examined her and noted that she had a perforated uterus and had her taken to a hospital via ambulance, and she died in surgery about 4 hours later, leaving her 4-year-old son motherless. An attorney for her family said, "We are intensely investigating this matter. We know something occurred that shouldn't have. We had a healthy 20-year-old go into that clinic and not come out, and I think a delay had something to do with it." So Jane's medical chart showed that the injury occurred at 10 a.m., but the ambulance wasn't summoned until 2 hours later. A state report cited chaos and confusion when the ambulance arrived at the clinic. The ambulance workers found Jane apparently lifeless, and they were not given adequate information about her condition. Berkman said there was no delay in transporting Jane to the hospital, and he insisted she had not died from blood loss. The Bergen County Medical Examiner, on the other hand, found that Jane had died from hemorrhage from a perforated uterus, and that she had suffered from a clotting disorder, disseminated intravascular coagulopathy, or DIC. That's when the clotting factors in the blood get all out of whack. And because those clotting factors were out of whack, that made it very difficult to stop the bleeding, and therefore the medical examiner ruled the death accidental. So at that point, it really didn't matter whether what Berkman did was really responsible or not. He'd gotten off the hook. I don't know if the family did eventually file suit. I did find a name for the only woman of that age in that area who died that year, but I haven't been able to find that date, but I haven't been able to find anything else out about her and to verify that it was her and whether the family followed through on the lawsuit or not.